Yeah, hey guys, I'm going to show you how to map out automation points in Pro Tools. Come along, let's go. If in your own case you try to automate on this channel, okay, we have this channel here, reading our OMF prem dot one. You can say, I want to automate, let's say, the volume, for example, okay? You can automate the volume, mute, pan left, pan right, depending on what exactly you want to automate. For example, you just have to come to this side of the channel, come down here where you see this wave, click on it. Now you have this drop down here. You can decide to say, okay, let's automate the volume. When you click on it, you're going to have this shown on this channel. Simple. Click on your computer keyboard, control key, hold it down, and then your mouse changes. You can see the plus sign here. Can you see? Okay, I'll leave the control now. Now, see what you have. Now, I'll press again. I hold down the control button again. You have this, the arm, okay, right? That's the fist there with the plus sign. Okay, so you click anywhere at all you feel like you want to automate. For example, I want to automate this point. Okay, I've mapped out that point up onto this place. I've mapped it out. I can choose here and then decide to tweak. Now, my hand is up the control, so I can push up, you see? Now, I have been able to automate the volume of this very part. So when my audio is playing, then it gets to these very parts. This increment I have on this channel comes true. Thank you for being part of this. Love you guys.